I have for you a haul of some hyped, popular, new Middle Eastern clone fragrances. There are a couple of these that I've tried, but literally like first impressions. There's one that I waited for this video because it's been very hyped. I haven't even taken it out of the box yet. So these are, again, first impressions, but one of them I can already tell you is spectacular. Before we fully dive in, remember to dive into the like button if you like the video and give it a click, and subscribe to the channel. Let's do this. So the first one, the one that I have not even opened yet, this is Afnan Rare Reef. It's in the carbon bottle. There was a ombre leather clone in a very similar bottle, but I have not smelled this fragrance in this blue version of that style of bottle. From what I understand, it's supposed to be a twist on Pacific Chill. So what I'm gonna do with this one is spray it on a strip, and then it's going on skin. I'm not wearing anything because I knew this one was coming in the mail. I waited. It's got pretty good atomizer, not pressurized, but puts out a big cloud. It's good. It's right off the bat. It is quite different than this one here. I don't have the original. I'm familiar with Pacific Chill, but I've never worn it. I've just smelled it. But I've worn Luciano Coastal Breeze a lot. And so what you're getting with the Pacific Chill DNA is a fruity fragrance with kind of like almost like a damp aquatic feel. You've got apricot, you've got fig, you've got citron, and some other kinds of citrus. In Pacific Chill, the kind of earthy nature of the fig is pretty evident, and the fruitiness of the apricot is also pretty evident. And then I would say the other notes, like even the citrus, are kind of second fiddle to those notes. However, in this one, right off the strip, I'm getting the citrus significantly more. So I'm gonna go ahead and go on skin with this one. So yeah, it's significantly different. I don't get that earthy fig. I definitely get some of the apricot. I get a little bit of the fig vibe, but more than any of that, I get a sweet citrus. I like it. I actually like it a lot. I might like it better than the other one. Yeah, it's like a very appealing, quite sweet citrus. It doesn't have like the Coastal Breeze has almost like, this sounds crazy, but almost like the feel of a storm coming in, like that damp kind of air. There's something almost sort of dark and brooding to it. Probably the earthiness plays into that. This one is brighter, happier, sweeter, with a lot of similarities, but those are the differences I'm noticing. And yeah, this is really good. So definitely understand why it's getting hyped. There's a couple of big YouTubers that have really talked it up quite a bit. So this one is definitely a win. I'll be wearing this a lot the next couple months while it's still hot. I don't really have anything else that smells just like this, and that's saying something. So definitely one to check out, Afnan Rare Reef. This next one that I have actually tried that I am insanely impressed with. This one is very, very good. Very different than the one that I just showed you. This is Khadlaj Fursan White. And this one I picked up because it was supposed to be a dupe of Vanilla Powder, Matière Vanilla Powder, which is a fragrance that I like the DNA. It reminds me a little bit of Creed Delphinus. And so I picked this one up when I saw what it was supposed to be a dupe of. And it is awesome. It's very, very strong and very long lasting. This is a sweet, powdery, vanilla coconut fragrance with some heliotrope, giving it a little bit of an almond vibe. There's not an almond note, but the heliotrope does come across like almond, as it often does. I think there's heliotrope in Delphinus as well, whereas Delphinus has kind of that the florals in Creed Delphinus reminds me a little bit of a fruitiness mixing with almond and kind of that, you know, sweet, powdery, vanillic vibe. This one does not have that almost fruity floral vibe, and you basically just get a sweet, powdery, very vanilla and heliotrope fragrance. This is definitely unisex. I would say for some guys it would be leaning feminine. If you don't like Creed Delphinus, if that one's too feminine for you, this one will be as well. But if you like, you know, powerful, sweet vanilla fragrances, then this is definitely one that you might want to check out. Some things that it would be related to in my mind would be like Oud Tonka, which is a Swiss Arabian Oud Tonka, which is a BDK Velvet Tonka dupe, I think, although that one has a different kind of sweetness. It's almost like a pastry kind of a sweetness. This one is more vanilla coconut almond, but they're both powdery, they're both very strong. But I would say closest thing that more people might be familiar with would probably be Creed Delphinus, although I don't know which one I like better. I like them both a lot. I have a generic perfumes dupe of Delphinus, which is very good and very strong as well. I think something about this kind of DNA, whatever they use, you know, in the vanillic, powdery, almond kind of a fragrance, it just lasts forever. I'm talking like 12 hours, and this one is like a 3 or 4 spray room filler. So very, very good. If you like this style of fragrance, again, Khadlaj Fursan White. The box just says Khadlaj Fursan, but I think I've seen white in the listings. I bought all of these, by the way. I'll try to put some links down below at good prices so you can pick them up if you're interested. And this last one, I let a number of people smell because, you know, the Pacific Chill twist is obviously a take on a Louis Vuitton fragrance. This one is also a take on a Louis Vuitton fragrance, and one that I'm not a huge fan of. You know, it's just not really my style, but I can tell you it is extremely mass-pleasing, and I think I've let 4 people smell it. All of them really, really liked it. Very unisex. So this one is Essence de Blanc by French Avenue. Very inexpensive, very good alternative to Louis Vuitton Imagination. And this one comes in this white bottle here. And I emphasize that it's unisex and I think perfectly neutral. I don't think it's a very feminine fragrance. The bottle looks very feminine. But basically what you get in this one is white florals, you get a light citrus, you get a very realistic tea note, and it comes across very clean. It's not soapy, and I'm not a big fan of soapy smelling fragrances. This one does not come across soapy. It comes across very clean and very fresh, but not in an aromatic fresh way or an overly citrus fresh way, more in like a clean laundry, fresh out of the shower kind of a clean. And it is, even though it's subtle, this is not, you know, a powerful fragrance in the way that the last one I showed you, that powerful, sweet, powdery almond, you know, vanilla kind of a fragrance. This one is powerful in the way that something like, say, Aroma Club de Nuit Sillage is, which is also kind of subtle. It's also kind of a white florals and tea kind of a fragrance, although these don't smell very much alike. You know, that's Silver Mountain Water, more that kind of inky, somewhat metallic vibe. This one is much softer and smoother. This is an extremely, extremely smooth fragrance. It is subtle, but it is quite long lasting, and it's one that I got whiffs of throughout the day. I just had a couple sprays on my arm, and I got whiffs throughout the day yesterday. And so I've been waiting for these to come in so that I could put them all in one video. And this is one, again, that I did actually test out and let some people smell, and everybody loves it. It's just not really my style of fragrance. A little too simple, a little too subtle, but it is one that'll probably get you compliments because everybody seems to love it. So these have been 3, to some degree, hyped Middle Eastern fragrances. Rare Reef is all over the place. People are loving it. I think if people get a hold of the Khadlaj Fers, the alternative to vanilla powder. I think it will be hyped. I mean, it is fantastic. It is, I definitely like it better than Swiss Arabian Oud Tonka. They are quite different, but it's similar family. And that one got a lot of hype because it's so strong and because it's that style of fragrance. This one, I think a lot of people would like more. So yeah, I think this is actually a really good lot. I'm probably not gonna wear the Imagination clone that much. The other two, I will wear the crap out of them. They are very, very good. If you've tried any of these, let me know in the comments down below. Do you have any recommendations for clones that I should pick up? Things maybe are getting hyped that I haven't shown on the channel yet. Also, remember to give a click to the like button if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'm Justin. This is SILLAGESCENTS.